Okay, boys and girls, we have us a beautiful floor. The floor is all done in the main coach area. Looks really good. And I've got some scrap pieces that I might stick in there. As you can hear, I've got the air conditioner running. Why not, right? I got the windows open too. Yeah, I'm real pleased. Real pleased. One of the things I wanted to do today was tongue and groove this wall. But it's a pretty big project for what I want to do right now. So what I'm going to do now, since I've got my youngest here, some help, is I'm going to go ahead and install this other gang valve so I can separate my black and gray tanks underneath. And then I'm going to put some conduit, plastic conduit around my wires that I ran last weekend, and you know, get that stuff all tightened up. So let us get set up for underneath, and we'll be back. There's Mr. Andrews shaking up the pipe glue. We're getting ready to install another shut-off valve underneath to separate the gray tanks and the black tanks. So we're got our purple shit primed up. He's shaking that glue up. PVC cement. So let's get her done. Be right back. Okay, we have a new gray water valve installed. Looks great. Got some of my wires in the conduit. I still gotta strap them up and finish them up. Got my flush out, my main flush out line installed. I've got my other one right there. See how it comes off the T up there? I don't know if you can see it or not. Ain't that a bitch. There it is. Okay. And now that one right there goes to the other side of the trailer and hooks to another T, and then it'll flush those tanks, the black and gray tank, from the other side. We filled up the black and gray tanks just to try them out, and they worked perfectly. We had the black tank full and the gray tank was empty, and then I opened up the valve for the gray tank, and the black water of course flowed backwards and equalized, and then they were both 1/3. And then now they're both showing empty, as they should. Alright, that's pretty much it for today. Got some storms of brewing. Storms, they are brewing. Alright. Here's my helper. My handy dandy helper. Say hello, YouTube. There's Patriot, of course, hanging out, chewing up a piece of wood. It rained for about a hot minute there while we were working underneath, so we pretty much stopped and got everything cleaned up. So we're done. Oh, Brandy girl hanging out in the shade. Say hi, Brandy. Hi, baby. She's been out here all day with me. All day. Alright. Well, tomorrow I'm going to work on the solar panels and the windmill. Get that set up. Alright, we'll talk to you guys tomorrow.